Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this amazing 2001 Swatch Irony Scuba 200 watch. As you can see, this is a very special model with the orange dial. As you can see, it has the extra large case. The model is SATSUMA, reference number YBS4006. Now, if you're new to the channel and enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and also check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. We have over 1,000 vintage Swatch watches, including this one. So make sure to check them out. Link in the description below. So guys, this is a very special model, quite hard to find online. As you can see, it has the seconds hand at the subdial at 6 o'clock. It also comes with a chronograph function, so you can start by pushing the pusher, then you can stop it using the same pusher at 2 o'clock, then using the second pusher you can actually reset. So that is how you use your chronograph function. Here on the back you can see that it has the aluminum case. It also has the original bracelet, aluminum, Swatch signed, very large, so this will fit a lot of wrists. You can easily adjust it by taking one of the links out. So quite a nice piece in our collection. Really like this one. You can easily go and purchase it on our website. This is the last Scuba Swatch Irony 200 that we have in stock. All of the others have been sold, so they are quite searched for. So that was the video, guys. If you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, like the video, and until next time, all the best.